Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top useful kitchen and home new gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So, let's start the video. Number 5. As a product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to try out the rolling pin and silicone baking pastry mat set by MTNZXZ. This set offers a convenient and efficient baking experience for all baking enthusiasts. The rolling pin is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-term use. Its sleek silver color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The product dimensions of 17 inches in length and 2.55 inches in width make it suitable for various baking needs. The inclusion of a silicone baking pastry mat in the set is a game-changer. This mat provides a non-stick surface for easy rolling and shaping of dough. The silicone material is safe for food contact and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The rolling pin and silicone baking paste.
Number 4. Euro Cuisine, YM. 80 electric yogurt maker machine is a top-tier product that excels in promoting gut health and overall well-being. Crafted by Euro Cuisine, a trusted brand in the industry, this yogurt maker combines functionality with quality seamlessly. The Euro Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker comes in an elegant white color that effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. Its 2-pound capacity makes it ideal for creating large batches of homemade yogurt, allowing you to indulge in delicious and nutritious treats whenever you desire. Constructed with high-quality glass material, this yogurt maker ensures durability and easy maintenance. The package includes 7 6-ounce glass containers perfectly sized for individual servings, along with the Euro Cuisine YM80 yogurt maker itself. Whether you are a seasoned yogurt enthusiast or looking to improve your gut health, the Euro Cuisine YM80 electric yogurt maker machine is a must-have addition to your kitchen, with its user-friendly design.
Number 3. The Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines convenience with efficiency. With its compact design and powerful performance, this product is a must-have for any home cook or professional chef. Made by the well-known brand Hamilton Beach, this electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor offers a unique manual operation feature that gives you full control over the chopping process. The product dimensions of 5.2 inches in diameter, 5.9 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height make it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. The sleek black color of the appliance adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, while the 3-cup bowl capacity provides ample space for chopping vegetables, fruits, nuts, and more. Whether you're preparing a quick salad or creating a complex dish, this food processor can handle it all with ease. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor.
Number 2. The MJIA 5-gallon water dispenser is a reliable and convenient solution for your water dispensing needs. Made of durable black plastic, this dispenser has a sleek and modern look that will complement any space. With a generous capacity of 5 gallons, you can easily have an ample supply of water on hand. The compact dimensions of 2.5 inches in diameter, 2.5 inches in width, and 4.3 inches in height make this dispenser easy to place on any countertop or table without taking up too much space. The MJIA brand is known for its quality products, and this water dispenser is no exception. Whether you need a water dispenser for your home, office, or events, the MJIA 5-gallon water dispenser is a practical and stylish choice. Stay hydrated and enjoy the convenience of having fresh water readily available with this reliable product.
Number 1. The Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler 093209006. BLCK is a versatile kitchen tool that effortlessly peels fruits and vegetables with precision and speed. Crafted by the reputable brand Starfrit, this electric peeler offers users a convenient and efficient way to prepare ingredients for various dishes. Designed primarily for vegetable peeling, this electric peeler is also suitable for peeling a variety of fruits, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The sleek black color of the device adds a modern touch to your culinary space, complementing various kitchen aesthetics. One of the standout features of the Starfrit Rotato Express is its removable blade, which ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Additionally, the automatic functionality of the peeler streamlines the peeling process, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you are peeling potatoes for a hearty stew or prepping apples for a fresh pie, the Starfrit Rotato Express proves to be a valuable tool.